Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. 16-inch canvas, lots of great colors, starting with Deco-art Americana 24 karat gold. Little dazzling white. Ooh, time to mix some more up. Cerulean blue is handy, so we'll use that. I'm going to try it with some Miami Magenta, if it's open. It was a minute ago. Got it. Along with some Dancing Fuchsia, which needs white to make it pop, so we'll put it right there. I want orange. No clue exactly what I'm doing, I'm just doing it. Pink carnation. I hear the call to Egyptian blue or blue velvet. Now I want some green. I've got Fandango, which looks great with cerulean blue. I think I might grab that again. Now, I have no idea how this is going to go or where I'm going to start. I'm not done picking colors yet, evidently. I found some red violet. I think I need some more something. How about this vibrant aqua? And since I'm not able to use black, I'm going to use some Perfect Indigo. Alright, that might be worth a photograph. I might wind up using some cell activator, which I'm thinking is going to be white, and or the cobalt turquoise. Let me grab one of my large brushes. And a spatula. And do I want more gold? I kind of want more gold and more white. Alright, here goes nothing. Am I really going to do this? think it's time for a different tool. Maybe a medium size. Without any chips on its blade, please. I'm counting on the fact that I can usually find a way to make something work out. Might have a little more paint than I need. My plan is to use my toothy tools. And my brushes. And maybe my nail art tool as well, which I could start with and have some fun. Let's clean off my brush and see how that goes. I could dry and add colors over this and scrape through and be pretty good tomorrow. I'm not sure that I want to do anything with that lump of paint there. And I've got heavy paint, which is going to be a problem for me if I want to do what I think I want to do. But I'm going to try it anyway. Still never used the nail art tool. We're just having fun. Really have no idea what I'm doing. Well, whatever it is, it's going to be something else tomorrow, I think. Not sure yet. I wanted some triangles. Maybe that'll help. Or maybe not. I could have left it. That would have been good negative space. It's kind of fun the way it is, whatever. Nothing serious going on here. But it was therapeutic, I guess. Alright, I give up for now. Whatever I'm going to do to it, it'll be a future event, if anything. So I really like this piece, and I think it inspired the colors and some of the shapes in that one, but it was mostly by taking the scrapings and dropping them wherever that I was inspired. But instead of that, I think we're going to try some dots. And I've got an Oriental restaurant towel rest that I picked up at a yard sale someplace. I'm going to put some Tuscan Sun in. Not sure how much I need, but it's an easy thing to hold, and it's paintball skewer. Try and space my dots out enough so that I can come back and add another dot if I want. And in this case I might not, because I kind of like the way that looks. That's fun. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, Volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.